Earn money the way you always wanted to. It is every person's dream and objective to earn money and more money than what he or she is making at the present. You still want to understand how you might have a second earnings too if you already have a task. This makes you question how you can find the time for it. Costs run high and you need a second earnings. It is much better to seek an online task where you can earn the second earnings and make cash and also be at the house with the rest of your household. To make money, you might get an online task. You have no alternative, however, to make more money. With rates increasing and a lot more, what you earn are possibly enough just for the bare necessities. If you desire some high ends and goodies for yourself and the rest of your family, you will need to think of methods and means to earn money. The online work is not the only option. You might likewise make a start on online businesses, money to provide your family with a few of the additionals that you want. Higher education costs also cost a lot more, and if you want to provide an excellent foundation for your children or anybody in the family, you would need to make money for it. The holiday of your dreams. You are planning a holiday to a place of your dreams and want to generate income for it. All this can become a reality if you handle, including work and earn money for it. This is no difficult job, as you can do extra online work and make as much cash as you desire by putting in more amounts of work. Unlike a routine office task where you get the exact same quantity of income no matter the number of hours or work you put in. In online work, the more you earn. Plan your additional expenses and work towards it. When you have a concept of how much extra money you will need for a specific requirement, you can easily time the period by when you will have this money. By doing online work, understanding what your skills are, and take on jobs that you will be able to do to the best of your ability and promptly too. Discover, earn money online and cater to all your needs without having to give up on what you want in life. Ways to make money. There are countless methods of making money, and if you want to do some research study on this, the simplest way to go about this is to search on the internet. By doing this, you will get a wide variety of information and go for what you feel matches your finest. The more information you obtain from the web, the better will be your possibilities to generate income. It is every person's dream and objective to make cash and more money than what she or she is making at the present. As I have said, we all feel the same. If you desire some high-end and goodies for yourself and the rest of your household, you will have to think of methods. As soon as you have an idea of how much extra money you will need for a particular requirement, you can easily time the period by when you will have this money by doing online work. Discover, make money online and cater for your needs without having to provide up on what you desire in life. There are numerous ways of making cash, and if you desire to do some research study on this, the most convenient way to go about it is to search the internet, as I've said once more. So I hope some of this has been helpful to you. just a matter of doing your searches. You find a job you like. You can do affiliate work, which is all set up for you. I always find that the best. That's what I do. You join a company that wants an affiliate, but always do your research. Don't ever get anything without doing research. So many scams on the internet, it's not true. Go to Google, put in the name of the company you think you want to join, or the name of the affiliate program you want to join, put it into Google. Google will come up with pages, references, in and outs of the commissions, what sort of material they give you to use to advertise their sites, all this sort of stuff. I myself use YouTube. That's why I do so many videos for YouTube. YouTube has got diagrams or people doing what you want to do. Everything you need to know will come up in videos so you can watch it. You don't have to read it all. That is YouTube. Now, underneath my video, just to try and lead you on your way, I have over 300 videos on how to make money online. My YouTube channel is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. That is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. If you wish to go there, look down through all the videos, just put that into your browser, scroll down the page and you'll find the videos. Now, I don't think they come up straight away. You've got to scroll down a bit. Also, underneath my video, there's a like button. I'd love for you to press that like button and subscribe, as it helps me with YouTube. At the top, there's a bell. Click on the bell, press all next to it. You'll get informed when I put another video up. If you don't want to go right down through to my channel and look at them, you'll get informed when I put another one up. So I ask you to do this because it helps me so much with YouTube. Also, I have put programs under my video that I like and I use. They're all affiliated. I don't own any of them. I join as affiliate. I make money on commissions. So if you go down to any of the programs and wish to join through my link, I get a small payment. Also, I have put links to all the tools I use. There are quite a few when you're using the internet all the time. They also are affiliated. I own the tools, but they're affiliated links from the company I got them from. Same thing, click on a link. If you purchase a tool, I get a small commission. So now, don't forget, research. And my name is Ian Jackson. I hope you come back, and I hope you have success online. So I will say cheerio for now. Please click the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.